to the ice museum, then we're going to get in the hot springs, huh? Don our bathing suits and hop in hot springs. It's cut off too. Yay! Okay, here we go. This ground is freezing.
You'll leave your towels here?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Here, hang these. Holy cow. I can't see where I'm going. Oh, that's really, really, really warm.
Welcome fast, welcome fast, welcome fast.
It's 104 degrees in here, but there's snow out here. The snow is so dry. Check this out.
You gotta pay. Fork out another 50 cents. I only had 3/4. Oh, we had 3.
Well, good morning, everybody. I'm sitting here having my second cup of coffee, and getting ready to head to the train depot to pick up the Aurora train to go to Anchorage. There have been a few earthquakes in the area, so I'm a little nervous. This will be my first experience with an earthquake and a train. Not really wanting both of them at the same time, but I'm sure it will be beautiful going through the countryside today, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I look forward to sharing all of it with you. So I hope you guys can come up here someday. It's just a magical experience. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Here we are. On board the Alaska Railroad on the way to Anchorage via multiple other stops. So we gotta keep our masks on so we don't get yelled at like I did on the airplane.
Lots of other stops.
Long trip, huh?
And then we could go all the way down to Sui.
And we're going headed straight for Wasilla, where they've had how many earthquakes in 24 hours?
3?
No, more than that. 5.
7?
Something like that.
We'll
So
say 5.
kind of scary. But this is my first train ride. I think I said that already, but it'll be fun. Something like kennels. It's a good snowy day for dog sledding.
Yeah.
There's all the doggies.
You have arrived.
They're like, yay, we get to go on a ride. So here we are in the car.
We are in far.
Last day of our trip. We're headed out to the Eagle River Nature Center again. We had to turn around and come home yesterday because it was a little bit too bad. Plus it was cloudy and we figured we wouldn't be able to get a good picture. Okay, so we turned around for the second time because the road, once we got so far, it wasn't even plowed. So
this is really good. What you're seeing
this is
now.
much better than what we just turned around on. And kind of bummed. Wanted to see the view in the winter time, but it's just not worth it because we're not prepared to take care of ourselves out here if we need to.